how to use Amazon AU warehouse deals. So in here, the very first thing that you would need to do is obviously get into your Amazon, make sure you're logged into account. Then from here, tap on the search icon right here. Now what are we going to do is simply search for warehouse. Just like this, simply search for warehouse. And then let's just search, right? So after searching for warehouse, here you will actually be able to see the Amazon warehouse. Let's just search for Amazon warehouse deal, just like this. Then from here you'll be able to see the Amazon warehouse, right? So all you need to do is tap on that option. Then from here you will be able to see all of the Amazon warehouse deals right here. You'll be able to see shopping by categories, and in here we have the school and uni essentials, and obviously the tech accessories. So you can select the exact type of item you want to buy and then go along with the process of how you'll be able to buy it, and just like that you'll be able to use your Amazon AU warehouse deals. If you guys do have further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.